YouTube, and hi. My roommate's laughing at me, even though she's just jealous that I'm famous on YouTube, and she's not.
81 subscribers. I had 82.
It's more than that. So, welcome to my first day of college vlog. No, I'm starting it like, so right now it's the night before, and we're just, you know, getting ready. What time is it? 11:10, and we're just about to get ready for bed. I'm sitting on the floor right now, like you can see. There's my bed up there. It's her stuff. That's Caroline.
Hi.
She's 8. We actually have the same class in the morning. We both have a 10 a.m. So that's our first class, and it's actually in class, but it's only in class for this week, and then it's online. So we have to do that in the morning, and then the rest are online. So yeah, I'm a little nervous just because it's been a while since, you know, I've done any schoolwork of any kind. You know, should be good. Good morning. It's first day of classes, and it's raining out. These are my PJs, not my outfit. I'm a little tired, but I'm just gonna eat some breakfast, aka Velveeta and Cheerios maybe. And then I should be ready for class. I just have to, you know, put this and my water all in my backpack. Now I just gotta get ready. So this is my outfit of the day. Just got my Air Force Ones and an App State shirt, even though it's kind of Carolina blue, even though, you know, don't go to Carolina, I go to App. So Caroline is having coffee for breakfast. So we're about to leave now for our freshman writing class. Me and Caroline have the same one. Today, that's my only in-class class. And then, so after writing, I can just go to the library and do my other class, which, like, I'm a little confused about because it doesn't have a Zoom call or anything. Like, there's no class time. I think she's just, like, posting the work. We'll see. And then after that, I have freshman seminar, so should be interesting. We ready? So I'm back from my 2 morning classes, and then I had lunch after. They were okay. The in-class one, he literally just talked the whole time, but like, he actually, I don't know if it's like too loud in here, but the AC, it's like in that vent right there, and it just like comes into the room when I have the door open. So if anyone walks by and hears me talking to myself, you know, I just have to act casual. So my writing teacher, my 10 to 1050, he was really passionate, like about, I don't know about teaching yet, but about like English and like writing, and like he was so nice, and like I think I'm gonna like him as a teacher. And then my 11 to 1150 isn't really in a time frame anymore because she just posts the work and we turn it in. So I just went to the library after that class and like did my first day writing assignment that's due tonight. And then I just had lunch in the dining hall, and now I'm back in the room, and it's 12:36, and I have a class at 1. It's just gonna be a Zoom call, so like I'm just gonna do it in here. And yeah. So I just got done with all my classes a minute ago, and I turned in my first day writing assignment, and now I'm just kind of like looking at my other classes and like syllabus and stuff, and it seems like a lot, but you know, it should be fine. So I'm just chilling on my bed. Caroline's chilling on her bed, and I'm just trying to figure out this whole thing. It's a little different than Google Classroom, but you know, also not really sure how to submit assignments yet, but you know, I'll figure that out. Yeah, so it was a good first day. Caroline, how was your first day?
It's good. I still have math 3, which is gonna make it bad, but
Oh crap, I totally forgot you still had a class.
I don't
So
want to do math.
yeah, Caroline has math in 30 minutes at 3. So yeah, wish her luck. And I'm just chilling for the rest of the day until my 2 classes that I have tomorrow. So yeah. So me and Caroline are about to go to dinner with 2 of our friends from another hall. So we're about to do that, and basically after class was over, I just like jotted things down in my agenda and looked at and just like kind of got caught up with like what I had to do. I finished my writing assignment. I think I already said that. That's the only thing I had due today. But yeah, so it was a good first day. We're gonna go eat dinner. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm just kind of done for the day. Like all I'm gonna do is go eat dinner and then like come back. I don't know. I kind of want to get ahead on some of my classes, but basically some of my classes aren't at a set time anymore, so I have a lenient schedule. I have to like motivate myself to get the work done and like sit down and like be like, okay, I'm gonna do this class now, I'm gonna work on this stuff later. Like when I'm in class, like I'm able to focus on that class. But now that it's like I don't have any set class time, it's like, what do I focus on and when? So I will figure that out. And we will see how this whole online thing goes. And yeah, thank you for watching.